Hello, aspirants. Welcome to the lectures of Modern History of India. In the last lecture, we finished the second chapter of Spectrum, and today I have brought for you the bonus MCQs. Let's begin. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so your first question is: who among the following is the nationalist historian of modern India? And your options are Dadabhai Nauroji, Jawaharlal Nehru, R.C. Majumdar, and D.E. Vacha. So pause the video and please try to find out the answer. Okay, so your right answer is R.C. Majumdar. Dadabhai Nauroji and your Jawaharlal Nehru and D.E. Vacha. These three, they represent the nationalist approach, obviously, but they were kind of the nationalist economist. Okay, they basically, what they did, they criticized the economic exploitation of the British. Okay, so your right answer is R.C. Mazumdar. And if you remember, there is one more nationalist historian, which is your Tarachand. ओके, तो ये दोनों नेम्स आपको याद रखने हैं, ताराचंद एंड R.C. मजूमदार. लेट्स मूव टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Identify the incorrect statements. Please focus. Incorrect statement in the context of modern history of India. Okay. Your first statement is nationalist approach criticized the economic exploitation of India by the British. And your second statement is liberal school of thought saw this exploitation as beneficial to the Britain. Okay. So your options are A, first option is A only, second is your B only, third A and B both, and fourth none. Okay, so the right answer is, since you have to identify the incorrect statement, your right answer is B, that is liberal school of thought saw this exploitation as beneficial to the Britain, and आपका जो main answer हो जाएगा, that will be your B only. Okay, so your first statement is very much correct. That is the nationalist approach criticized the economic exploitation. जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको पहले भी बताया first question में, I have already told you the answer, right? Now the liberal school, it saw the exploitation as not beneficial. Liberal school का क्या कहना था? They were like that because of colonial empires, Britain faced delayed development and investments. Okay, तो ये wrong है. That was opposite. In fact, उनको लगता था कि उसकी वजह से ब्रिटेन को काफ़ी exploitation of the colonial empires was a lossful venture for the British. ठीक है. Next question is your: in the context of approaches to modern history of India, Ranjit Guha is the proponent of, your options are A, subaltern approach, B, nationalist approach, C, communal approach, and D, Marxist approach. Okay, so your right answer is subaltern approach. If you remember, subaltern approach में Ranjit Guha जी ने कहा था that the voices of marginalized section, right, the lower class, the marginalized section, the rural people, they were totally ignored, and nationalism kind of exploited the differences on the basis of the religion, caste, and creed. Okay, so this was your subaltern approach. Nationalist approach and nationalist approach अभी आपने देखा था, वहाँ पे इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन की बात की गई है एंड कैसे नेशनल मूवमेंट ने इंडिया को यूनिफाई किया. ओके, फीलिंग्स को, एंटी इम्पीरियल फीलिंग्स को यूनिफाई किया. कॉम्युनल अप्रोच में आपने देखा था कि हिंदू मुस्लिम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात की गई है, हिंदू मुस्लिम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की बात की गई है. दैट हिंदू और मुस्लिम में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हमेशा से था, मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री से ही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट था इन दोनों के बीच में. एंड मार्क्सिस्ट अप्रोच में बोला गया था दैट जो कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है, जो हॉस्टिलिटी है, जो फाइट है, वो बेसिकली एक तरफ आपका कॉलोनियल पावर है एंड दूसरी तरफ आपके इंडियन नेटिव्स हैं, एंड इंडियन नेटिव्स के बीच में भी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शंस हैं और हॉस्टिलिटीज़ हैं, ऐसा मार्क्सिस्ट अप्रोच का कहना था. ठीक है, सो दीज वर योर मेजर अप्रोचेस. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, दैट इज the opinion that British brought unity to India is reflected in which of the following approaches to modern India. आपको बताना है. आपका जो phrase है that is unity to India, British brought unity to India. Liberal approach, B Cambridge approach, C colonial approach, and D Marxist approach. Okay, so the right answer is colonial approach. Okay, this was the approach where natives, that is Indians, they were seen as inferior and western culture was seen as superior. ठीक है, liberal approach में हमने देखा था अभी ऊपर that Britain this approach it said that how the colonial empires were responsible for the loss to the British Empire in terms of economic loss. Okay, then you have Cambridge approach. Cambridge approach में basically बोला गया है that there are the differences between the Indian natives only. ठीक है, इंडियन सेक्शंस मतलब जो लोग हैं इंडियन इंडिजिनस पीपल हैं उन्हीं के बीच में रिलीजन के बेसिस पे, कास्ट के बेसिस पे डिफरेंसेस हैं, और यही मेन कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन था, यही प्राइमरी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन था. बाकी मार्क्सिस्ट अप्रोच अभी हमने ऊपर देखा था. ठीक है, फिफ्थ एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग criticized British rule for destroying the economic fabric of India? Your options are A. Sumit Sarkar, B. M.G. Ranade, that is Mahagovind Ranade, C. A.R. Desai, and D. R.P. Dutt, that is Rajni Palm Dutt. Okay, so your right answer is Mahagovind Ranade. बाकी जो आपके तीन हैं ये मार्क्सिस्ट अप्रोच को represent करते हैं. ठीक है, they represent the Marxist approach. Okay, that's it for the lecture. Please go through the questions well and revise your chapter. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.